Hello and welcome to One Day One Thought. And today let's talk about toys. As kids, we have played with many toys, but we had one favorite toy that we still remember even today. For me, that favorite toy was a remote control car. Yes, it was a remote control car, but you can sit inside the remote control car. It was big enough. So, my mom used to make me sit inside the car and she used to drive the car using the remote. But I used to think that I was driving the car, and so I used to think that I am an old person and it is my responsibility to drive the car responsibly. And everyone around me used to laugh at me, but that's the funny part. But my parents told me that you used to enjoy the thought that we will get you a new toy even more than you enjoyed the toy itself. They told me that you were giggling because we were entering the toy shop, and after some days you forgot about the same toy. That's what childhood is all about, right? It's all about the innocence. But you know what? Most kids transform their innocence into maturity, right? So let them be innocent today for them to get mature tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this video.